that's the situation with my blinkers. They are just not blinking. So I'm going to check on the, I think it's called the relay, and maybe I need a new one. Maybe I can clean that one up. Maybe there's points of contact that are not touching, corroded. I don't know. I've never looked at one. I'm about to though. Oh, okay, so this is the thing here. It's like connected to the hazard light. I had really no idea, but when I turn it on now, and here, that is the problemo. All right, well, let me take a look at it now. This really wasn't what I thought. I thought there was like a different part. But this one, if this wasn't in, the indicators didn't work, and it's making a lot of noise. So maybe I have to find out how much this is to replace. Well, I found a tutorial online about how to fix these because I only found one other one for sale, the hazard, and it was like, I don't know, $130, and it hadn't been repaired. So I found that tutorial and I'm gonna take this thing apart. I have to take the light bulb out. I've already actually had it apart. And then that tutorial, I'll put a link below, and it showed like where to get these. I don't even know what they're called. These little electronic, these little guys. These little things here. I'll have to find out what they're called. Anyhow, they said that they're on this little circuit board and that these go, and just need to solder them. So I've soldered once before. I fixed the speakers in my Astrovan, or put in the stereo. I did a Apple CarPlay stereo and all that. So I did solder then, and I have no idea if this is gonna work, or I'm just gonna have to buy another one. So let's see. I'm gonna get the soldering iron, heat it up. And so from the tutorial, I have to desolder this and then pull the circuit board out. Okay, so I got it loose. It's like this little thing there. So let's see if I can pull this whole thing out now. Oh shoot, okay, got it. Oh my goodness. Well, there you go. So, guess, oh my gosh, guess I'm replacing that one. And that one. All right. No, you can't be up here. Please, please get down, please. No, 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 it's not the time. I have, no, no. Okay, I'm gonna keep trying. I left and went to get some soldering ribbon, or desoldering ribbon, and I couldn't find it. So then I watched a hack, which was to use wire. And so I'm gonna try that. Still trying to desolder these little things, and I still don't know the name of them, but these little electrical things, like water towers. All right, so now just waiting for this to heat up again, and try again now that I have this, because it was not working without the desoldering wire. All right, got them out. If I had the right tools, it probably would have been a lot easier. But anyhow, both hardware stores near my house did not have that tape. This hack, I can't say it was great. Anyhow, they're off. And now I'm going to try to put it all back together. Okay, I got them in. Okay, I got everything put back together. Now I'm going to put this guy back together. All right, let's go try it out. Okay, we are back at the car and gonna try to get it put in, back in, and fingers crossed that it's gonna work. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Flashers first. Nice. All right, let's take those off. Try the indicator. Oh yeah. Okay, hey, that's a wrap on the indicators. Super stoked. Well, actually, need to put all this back together, but that shouldn't be too hard.